Welcome everyone to a new video. Today I want to talk with you about the Fourth Industrial Revolution. This presentation is mainly based on the book of Klaus Schwab, which is the founder and executive chairman of the World Economic Forum. And as a reference, I will highly recommend you to read the book, The Fourth Industrial Revolution, where he points out everything what you need to know for the 21st century, all the inventions, technologies which will disrupt our lives. So the fourth industrial revolution, first in historical context, the word revolution. If we think about the revolution, it is an abrupt and a radical change in social structures, in political and economical aspects. So, as you all know, the French Revolution or Chinese Revolution, but also industrial revolutions and agriculture revolution. So, if we look at the history of revolutions, the main revolutions. The first one was the Agrarian Revolution or Agriculture Revolution, which was 10,000 years ago, and there the Homo sapiens, they went from foraging and hunters and gatherers to farming and to the domestication of animals. People, stayed at one place, and this was the start of urbanization. After that, when we make a huge jump into time, around the 1800s, we have the first industrial revolution, and here the humans went from muscle power to mechanical power, and that was all caused by the invention of the steam engine. And that steam engine enables the construction of railroads and steam-powered trains and pumps for the mines. After that, we have the second industrial revolution, which was around 100 years later, around 1900, and here we have the invention of electricity, and there was a huge mass production in combination with assembly lines. As you all know from the Ford factories, the production of cars and the production of, for example, textiles. After the First and Second World War, we came to the Third Industrial Revolution, which was at the end, which was from 1960s to 2000, and it is also called the Digital Revolution. It was the invention of the semiconductors and the implementation of also our smartphones, but in the first place the computers, personal computing, and in the late 20th century we have the invention of internet, which we all know at this stage in time. So from there we have the Fourth Industrial Revolution, which is based on the other three revolutions, and I will talk to you about the Fourth Industrial Revolution in next video. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you again in next video, where I talk about the drivers of the Fourth Industrial Revolution and about the impact of